All right, so today I'm going to show you how to swap out your power pole anchor stake. This is power pole guaranteed for life. I didn't realize how awesome their warranty was. You might be able to tell, but the fiberglass, smooth fiberglass, is completely worn away, and it's down to fiberglass like hairs. And I'll tell you, anytime you bump into it, grab a hold, they will get stuck in your skin. They're miserable. So we called up Power Pole, and they told us about their warranty and sent us a brand new composite stake. So today we're going to pull this one out, show you how we do it, and we're going to learn together on this one. Hopefully, if you have one of these and need it replaced, um, this will help you out. And the great thing is, if you're looking for a brand for a shallow water anchor, PowerPole stands behind their stuff. It was a quick, easy phone call. I didn't have to fight. I didn't have to beg. And straightforward, it looks like we've got 7/16 bolt here with a 7/16 nylock lock nut on the back. So we're just going to use some basic hand tools, 7/16 and 7/16. That wasn't hard. And now we've learned there's a washer on each end. So I'm going to put this back together while we take the next one out. Hopefully I don't lose the parts and pieces. So this one came apart, but the washer's still in it. Let's see if we can't pop that out. So ours was locked in pretty good. We had to use a 3-pound hammer and a 1/4-inch center punch just to give it a couple taps. Nothing too crazy, but enough to jar it loose. And now we've got it out. So again, this is going straight in the trash so no one gets themselves jammed up on all the fiberglass. And we've already prepped the new one. If you come in, you can see we added a little dish soap so that hopefully it slides in. And then I want to do one more thing before we put this together. If you do anything on the water, the best thing you can do is keep all your metal parts lubed up. I use CRC 656. So with these screws out, I'm just going to hit them, any corrosion that could be there. And while my ram is out, I'm going to do that too. So everything gets a little bit of lubrication, and hopefully we can keep all these parts on the water longer. So let's put this back together. So we're going to stick the new one in, same way the old one came out. These two slots are indicative of where our bolts are going to come through. So again, we've added a little dish soap, and hopefully we can pop this right up. Oh, that went in perfect. So that's in. Got my washer on the front end. Same thing here. I think I need to give it just a little bit more of a tap up into place. Now with our bolts back in place, we're going to grab our washers, slide them onto the opposite side, grab our nylock nuts, put those in place, spin this around, they say that you just want the threads coming through the nylock. So I got a little bit more to go on these, but I don't want to overdo it. Okay, that does it. Probably the easiest boat repair I've done. 5 minutes, front to back, 2 7/16, one for each side, a little dish soap, and a hammer. And just like that, we are back in business with our power pole. So thanks again to Power Pole for getting this together, honoring their warranty, and shipping it out so quickly. If you have one of these and it needs replaced, give them a call. If you're looking to add one to your boat, check them out too. Thanks a lot, guys.